I know you can do it. I know you can do it. You can handle it. Yes. Hey dear unique, dear friend, welcome to my channel. This is Amira. Have you ever wondered what success means? It means different to everyone. And I think it's just as important as failure. Both are important. Taking the steps and moving, you have to take steps and experience so many different things in your life, dear unique. Don't look at your success should be as something extraordinary, Never underestimate the importance of small successes compared to what is very big or so amazing in your head. Remember, you have taken many steps and have reached this point with different emotions, good and bad, challenges, bad people, good people, dark people, darkness. Well done to you. Do you even know how far you come? Do you even know how many steps you have taken? Sometimes people say, Amira, I can't handle it. I just cannot do it. You can handle it. My dear, this big mountain in front of you, that big challenge that you think you cannot solve, just listen to me. Just look at your past and you will understand what I'm talking about. Just look at your past. This has not been and is not the biggest mountain or the greatest and most difficult challenge in your life. Many times, many of us forget that we have overcome great and insurmountable challenges. So that's why I'm telling you, you can do it. You can handle it. I know you can. So do it, okay? And finish what you've started. Keep going, keep moving. Never give up on yourself, okay? If you like my video, subscribe to my channel and write a comment for me, a beautiful comment. And thank you for being here, for supporting me by listening and watching my videos. Thank you so much. I love you. Bye.